Ake sikhulume ngama-conventions. I-convention indlela generally accepted, yabona, of representing algebraic information. Generally accepted. Akusho ukuthi khona la kwake kwabanjwa umhlangano khona njengasesiZulwini. Akukho la amaZulu akabamba khona umhlangano ukuthi umuntu wesilisa sothi ubaba, owesifazane sithi umama. Kwaya nje ngokukhula qhubeka kwesikhathi iy'ngane zithi baba, mama, kwagcina kujwayelekile lokho. Kwelinye izwe la bayikhulumela olwabo ulimi olungasisiZulu, mhlawumbe bona bangasho ukuthi mama endodeni. Kuleyo ndawo ku-generally accepted. La ka-algebra-ke nayindlela e-generally accepted. Ama-coefficient siwabhala before i-variable. Njengalo 2a squared b, u-2 coefficient before ama-variable. Asithi a squared b 2, cha ku-wrong. Enye i-convention yesibili, ama-variables siwabhala in decreasing order of powers. Okusho ukuthi siqala ngo-x cubed, silandele ngo-x to the power 2, size ngo-x to the power 1, sigcine ngenamba enganavariable. Asiqali ngo-x to the power 2 size ngenamba bese siyaxuba futhi sifake ngo-x to the power 3 size ngo-x to the power 1. Ku-wrong. And then ama-variables maye-multiplyiwe siwabhala in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, etc. Njengala x, y, z ku-correct, z, y, x ku-wrong.